What's going on? It's Cole Gonzalez, CEO and co-founder of OSSA.AI, and I want to quickly run you through how to actually use the studio. After you create a video, your videos will go to your videos page, and then from here you can click into edit video on any of your videos. That's how you're going to access the studio. So let's take this one, for example, dynamic vitality bundle benefits. We're going to click here. That's a tongue twister. Edit video, and then here you can see you have all of your scenes. So a scene is tied to an image, and then the actual subtitles on the screen that are part of that scene, right? So we can see here, you have all your scenes. You can scroll down, you can adjust the subtitles by clicking in right here. So let's say I wanted to change this. I'm not going to change it, but you can basically come in here. You can change any of the subtitles. Please note that if you decide to remove a subtitle, you're not going to be able to create the video until you add that back. So you always need to make sure that these are all filled out. And then coming here, very simple, you have subtitles, images. This is where the magic happens. So here, you're actually able to see all of the images and create individual images. But before we do, let me show you the original video.
Here's how your life could change forever. Ever feel drained or constantly battling health issues? Meet Zoyava's Dynamic Vitality Bundle. This bundle is your game changer, with 16 essential ingredients, including the legendary sea moss, packing 92 of the 102 minerals your body craves. It's a daily dose of energy and immunity. Then there's Shilajit, nature's hidden gem for strength and vitality. But it doesn't stop there. We've included bladder wrack for gut health and ashwagandha for stress relief. Imagine replacing a cabinet full of supplements with just one bundle that targets energy, immunity, and wellness. That's not just convenience, it's common sense.
We saw the video, and maybe there's a couple things you want to change. So in here inside of the studio, we're actually able to go to the individual scene because we can see the subtitles associated. We can generate images based off what we want to change. And let me show you what that looks like in real time. Let's say right here, instead of having this drop into this spoon, we want to actually have a Shilajit supplement bottle. I'm going to go ahead and prompt it. And if you don't know what a prompt is, it's simply just text that you're giving to a AI model that generates an image. So we're going to say here a supplement bottle with the exact text Shilajit on the bottle. Very simple. We're going to hit create. So from there, the image is going to be created. And then while that's creating, you're still able to create other images simultaneously at the same time. So keep that in mind as well. Check it out. We have the new bottle here, Shilajit, perfect text. That looks great. Perfect for TikTok. Okay, that is going to be the image. When I go ahead and hit create video, that image is going to be put into the video instead of the other one. And let's just look through one more time to kind of push the limits of this new update. Okay, so right here, imagine replacing a cabinet full of supplements with just one bundle. I'm going to really push the limits here, and I'm going to try a really hard prompt. All right, so here it is. 3 supplement bottles on a table. Bottle on the left has the text sea moss. Bottle in the middle has the text Shilajit. Bottle on the right has the text ashwagandha. So let's see if we're able to get that, because that's obviously a really complicated prompt, and we'll see if our models can pick this up. And there we go. We have 3 supplement bottles, one on the left that says sea moss, one in the middle that says Shilajit, and one on the right that says ashwagandha. Pretty insane. So I'm gonna go ahead from there and hit create video, and then it's gonna go ahead and create the video. So we'll go here, and then it's gonna take you back to your videos page. You can see it's gonna skip to the end because it doesn't need to go through all the other steps that we go through to create the video. So then if we just go back here while that's processing, one last note, if you are inside your video here in the studio, you can actually click view details, and you can still see that original page where you can see your script, right? You can copy that, you can see your video settings, and then you can also obviously see the video as well. So we'll give it a second, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the final video. All right, the video's done. Let's take a look.
Here's how your life could change forever. Ever feel drained or constantly battling health issues? Meet Zoyava's Dynamic Vitality Bundle. This bundle is your game changer, with 16 essential ingredients, including the legendary sea moss, packing 92 of the 102 minerals your body craves. It's a daily dose of energy and immunity.
So there's our Shilajit new image.
Then there's Shilajit, nature's hidden gem for strength and vitality. But it doesn't stop there. We've included bladder wrack for gut health and ashwagandha for stress relief. Imagine replacing a cabinet full of supplements with just...
There we go. And we got our 3 perfect text supplement bottles right there.
It's one bundle that targets energy, immunity, and wellness. That's not just convenience, it's common sense.
And then our next step would be download the video and then go ahead and upload to social media. So I hope you guys absolutely love this feature. We worked really hard on this. We're really going to build off of Studio. We have so many amazing things coming. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this, and happy creating.